gave me Diamondback vibes, but yeah. So. Oh. What'd you think?
It was like
It's still fun. Don't get me wrong. I rode Diamondback. I'm not a fan of the big these big trains, but yeah.
That was the best thing. Hi, gosh, I want to go 3 more times. Hi.
Oh my god.
That made so much fun.
Silly. Whew.
Next stop, the Fury. Oh yeah, we're going on Fury, baby. So we're going on this. Let's wait for the
Nighthawk.
Yes.
That one right there.
All right. Let's go to ride Batman Water.
Please stop. Push down below on that black lap bar and exit to your right.